Hi, I'm Dave, and today I'll guide you through the last step to start using JigBuilder, a web app that will assist you in your work on the car frame. This is the last of the 4 video tutorials that will help you make the most of this application to ease your work and get straight to the point. In the previous episode, we saw how to verify the position of the alignment points to ensure correspondence between their indicated position on the card and their actual position on the car. If you missed the video, you can find it on our channel or by clicking on the box in the top right corner. If you've already seen it, we can move on to the 4th and final step, checking the other points, the ones that are presumably damaged and therefore displaced from the correct position. Let's return to the computer and get to work. If you've understood everything from the previous video, this final part will be quite easy for you. What we need to do is the same as what we did for the alignment points, but now we're working on non-alignment points. Essentially, we are checking if the car is aligned or not. It's good to choose small points to check that are located through the whole structure of the car. To start the work, the first thing to do is, of course, to open the app and log in with your credentials. Then go back to the original card, in my case, still the one for the Porsche 911. And select the work you're doing, in my case, still the door repair. The process is the same as for the alignment points. Mark the points on the car, create a jig, enter the coordinates into JigBuilder's work. If you're checking presumably damaged points, it's possible that the displacement values are greater than 3 mm, so the boxes may turn red. Once you've checked all the points you're interested in, you'll have a precise overview of their state. Not bad, right? Well, we've also concluded for today. With this video, you should have learned everything you need to make the most of this application. The next video will be an in-depth analysis where we'll delve into the calculation method that JigBuilder uses. It's not necessary to watch it to know how to use the app, but it might be interesting to better understand the mechanism behind JigBuilder. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or doubts about using the service, you can chat with an assistant 24/7 using the chat button at the bottom right of the app's main screen. If you liked the video, you can give it a thumbs up and share it with people who you think might find it useful. You can also subscribe to the channel. Clicking on the bell icon, you can activate notifications. This way, you receive an alert when new videos are released and won't miss them. In any case, we thank you for following us this far. Good work and happy measuring with JigBuilder.